Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 62 in League of Legends. So this is the first thing you want to do is open right client. Once the right client opens, you want to click on your profile, go to settings, and then click on League of Legends, and then click repair button, and then click start repair. And it will repair any corrupted files which have been installed incorrectly. And after the files have been fixed, you want to click OK and exit out of this. And now you want to open a browser and type in Warp Cloud. And you'll find this Cloudflare docs, download Cloudflare 1. And you want to click on this, download the latest stable release, and then download it. And after it's done, you want to open it. Click next, install, and let the Warp Wizard install quickly. Allow it, and once it's done, click finish. Now click on the arrow, show hidden icons, and then double click on Cloudflare Warp, or once click on it, and then click next, accept, and then click on, and it will toggle on. And then now it says that your internet is private. And now try relaunching League of Legends, and hopefully that should stabilize your internet directly to Cloudflare so you don't have any mishaps and interruptions. And that should hopefully not trigger the Vanguard anymore. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanguard 62 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.